This is going to be a video product review of the RENPHO Shiatsu foot massager. This massager is really incredible. There are two different kinds of foot massagers. One vibrates to get blood circulation. The other kneads and kind of pulsates and grinds. I don't want to use the word grind, but grinds your foot in a pocket like this. So what's really neat about this product, it comes with a timer, so you press the button. You've got two different set times. You have the kneading intensity, which is low, medium, and high. You have your power button. You have your air intensity, and we'll get into that in a minute, but the air intensity makes this massager really incredible. Low, medium, and high, and then you have a heat control if you want heat on your feet. This massager will handle a man's foot up to size 12. It has a rotating ball inside it. It has a rolling stick. It has air compression for deep kneading. So what ends up happening that I just love about this foot massager is you put your foot in here and imagine that this is the foot. You've got something that's going up and down, and you've also got a ball that's grinding into the foot. And it's not a painful grind, it's an incredible grind. I used it last night. I like to lie down on my back on the bed with my feet hanging over the bed, and I put my feet into the massager, and I keep it on for about 15-20 minutes, and by the time I'm done, I don't want to do anything but sleep because I'm so relaxed and I feel so good. I also brought this over to my mom this week. She has plantar fasciitis. It just kicked in again, and it really helps her a lot. For my mom, she needs to keep the settings on low and the air intensity on low because she has a smaller, fragile foot. For me, I like to go between the medium settings and the high settings. The high settings really grab onto your foot and give you an intense, the air intensity. It grabs on and it just goes into the bottom of your foot, and really, it's like a human hand giving you a foot massage. I should know. I went and had a foot massage in the Marina Del Rey place last week and for half an hour. $30 for half an hour. This thing, 5 massages will pay for this, and you'll have it for the rest of your life. So let me show you what this is all about. I'm going to put a link in my description of the video. Click on the link. You should be able to purchase it by clicking on the link. And now I'm going to put this on the floor and show you what it is all about. You can purchase this with or without a remote control. So, it's very simple. You just take your feet and you put it there. These also have a zipper pouch so that you can take out the insides and clean them. So you just press the power button. Oh my goodness. And you can hear right now you should be able to hear the rotating and the kneading. And we're going to hear the compression in a minute. And so I've got it on low. It's the bar is going up and down the length of my feet, and I can feel the rolling ball going from the heel up towards the toes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to press the air intensity, and you'll hear that take off in a minute. Okay, now it's starting to clamp down on my feet. For some people, the high setting might be a little too much, and it is a little too much for me, but I love the feeling. It just feels incredible. So I'm going to take this and put this on a high intensity for kneading and a high intensity for air control. They sell this on Amazon. You cannot beat the price. Seriously. I could, let me look at the price. Okay, so for the cost of having, whoa, that's going down on the feet now. That's amazing. For the price of 3 foot massages that I normally get once a week, once every couple weeks, you can buy this. I don't have to go to my foot masseuse anymore. There's no reason to. This thing takes care of everything. Oh boy. Yeah, it's really going, hear the compression now? I want you to hear it. That's that air sound. So it's very powerful. It is very intense. It feels good. Ladies, if you wear high heels, if you're not wearing flat shoes, women, you definitely need this. You're going to need this for your arch. You're probably going to get plantar fasciitis from wearing heels. Runners, definitely runners and joggers are going to want to use this. Me, I am a cyclist. I ride my bike up and down the bike path by the beach, and by the time I'm done, my feet are not as sore as my calf muscles. And so what happens is, by putting my feet in here, I get an intense amount of blood circulation, and it relaxes my calf muscles, the lower legs, and when the lower legs are relaxed, then my upper legs, my thighs are very relaxed, and then it goes into the hips and the hip flexors and the lower back. So just by buying this foot massager, you can take care of a lot of pain and a lot of tension. Make sure to click on the link in the description and get this. It's the RENPHO Shiatsu foot massager with heat, deep kneading therapy, and air compression. One of the nice things about this product, you can barely hear it. You could put this under your desk at work and nobody would know what's going on. It's very quiet. I live in a condo. I can put this on the floor. My neighbors don't hear the floor shaking or vibrating. I can use this at night. The other thing that I did 2 days ago, I put this on the bed. It's very light, so I put this on the bed. I propped my head up. I laid down, and it was a little awkward position, but I put my feet in here, and I just kicked back and did a massage for 15 minutes. But I also like it right now. I'm sitting in my chair right next to my computer, and I can use this while I'm typing and surfing the web. I highly recommend buying this massager. If you don't have pain, it will probably stop you from having pain. And if you have pain from running or walking or cycling or jogging or exercise, jumping up and down, this is what you need.